Adding a full width section in Microsoft SharePoint has never been easier. Today I'm going to show you the very simple steps to making sure you're using the full section in your site. So let's climb straight in. So we're going to go into this site over here, and once we're in the site, you'll see at the top here there is edit. So you can edit any one of these pages, and we're going to add this full width section. So once we're in here, you'll see that there are some plus buttons. Now these plus buttons on the side will actually add sections. Let's go in and add a section right here. Now what you can do is a 1 column all the way up to 3 columns, and then 1/3 left and 1/3 right. And then there's also a vertical section that you can add in here. But what you want to do is use the 1 column. And here it is right here. Now, if you put your cursor just to the top of the section, you can add a new part to this section. So you can add images, text, buttons. You can even put in a YouTube video in there. So there's a bunch of different things that you can add here. So just for example sakes, we're going to go into images, and there is a stock of images here. So let's just go ahead and use this cool image here. We're going to say insert, and you'll see that it will come up as from this side of your page all the way to here. Now there is another way of doing so to fill up the space on the right. You can just click on this plus button here, and you can say vertical section. Now this section here, you can add something that you would put in on the side over here. So let's put some image gallery section in there, and you can say we're going to make it a grid. We can also change the aspect ratio, so let's make it 4:3, and here we can add our images. Again, we're going to jump into that library, and let us click on these 3 images. Here we are going to say insert, and you'll see that you can also add a title over here. So let us just put a title in there, and here you go. This is what it looks like now. It is the full width of your page being used, as opposed to this, which is just this section, and this section is being wasted.